Take half kg chicken, add salt 1 teaspoon, add garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, coriander 1 tablespoon, red chili 1 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, mix well. Add plain yogurt 1.5 cups. Coriander 1/4 cup chopped. Mint 1/4 cup chopped. Mix well. Now marinate for 30 minutes. Add cooking oil 1/4 cup. Onion 1 large, thinly chopped. Fry until brown. Add 3 cardamoms, then 2 small sticks cinnamon, cloves 5 to 6, bay leaves 2, green chilies 3 halved, and then fry until fragrant, and then add that chicken. Saute for about 10 minutes at medium-high heat. And then you can add salt to taste, say about half teaspoon. You can add garam masala 1 teaspoon. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes at low-medium heat. Stir occasionally. And of course, lastly, add roasted cumin, half teaspoon. And there you are. Your yummy Dahi chicken dish is ready to eat.